Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a jewelry jar that I won on ALaMode by Adrienne. I'll link her channel in the description below. I'm going to go through these rather quickly. I have to go pick up my grandson, so I'm not going to give measurements and stuff, but I will give you measurements if you'd like to send me an email or ask any further questions. So let's go ahead and get started. This was so fun. Let's see what we have in here. There is a barrel clasp and some natural green stone, and it's fairly long. That one will be $5 if you're interested. And we have a quartz chip. We can do that one for $5. We have a rose quartz chip, also $5. I've already went through this once, but I forgot to record. So then I remembered I've got to record this. This is a really cool hematite necklace. I like the design on this. We can do $8 on that one. We have a faux pearl gold tone plunder bracelet. We can do that one for $3. We have some amethyst chips, $5. And then we have some more green stone with a carved stone pendant. That's pretty. We can do, there's some shell on there also, mostly stone, toggle clasp. We'll do $8 on that one. We have a hook closure. I'm not sure what these beads are made of. These feel like a lucite. That one has a little boo-boo there, so we can do that one for $1. Maybe bone, or maybe faux bone, I'm not sure. And then we have another stone necklace, spring ring clasp, purple stones. We'll do that one for $5 also. I love this one. Is that the Mayan calendar? And then we have what looks like quartz. I'm sure some sort of agate. Barrel clasp. This one's really cool. We'll do $8 on that. I did not test these. They look like they may be sterling. Not sure though. We'll do $3 on those. Let's see. This one is sterling. It says 925 on your clasp right here. Some stone beads. We'll do $6 on that one. Got a tangle. These are cool. They're like pottery. What is that clay pottery called? These are cool beads. We'll do $5 on that one. This was a giveaway, so I'm not trying to price gouge everybody. And this is a lot of fun to go through, and I really appreciate it. We got multi-stone chips, $5. That's fun. We got a fun bracelet. Good stretch on it. We'll do $3 on that one. This one right now I am keeping because I absolutely love this. I want to show it to you though. I told myself when I opened it I could keep one piece. And this is the one I want to keep. Pink dyed shell. Absolutely love this. If you're seriously interested in it, you can email me and I'll give you a price on it. But I'd like to wear it first. I really do love it. Then we have a tassel necklace. Looks like it needs some work. We'll do $1 on that one. And we got some cat's eye, some pearls, hematite. This one needs a cleaning, $5. We have have another natural stone necklace. Lobster claw with an extender. Some sort of jasper here. There's your pendant. This one's really pretty. We'll do $8 on that one. And then we have a toggle with some more stones and a shell pendant. Really pretty. We'll do $5 on that one. And this one is Stella and Dot. And it is really pretty. It has this long pendant portion here. We'll do $8 on that one. And lastly in the box, I got a Tory Burch Fitbit holder. This one definitely needs to be cleaned. In pretty good condition. The letter's in good. It wraps around. And it's for a Fitbit. And let's say I have sold one of these before. They do sell quite well online. Let's do that one for $15. All right, everybody, my birthday is this Wednesday, and so I'm going to ask everyone who has made it this far to leave me a comment and tell me what your favorite piece is in this box. And then by Wednesday, I will announce why I'm asking you to do that. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you're not. Bye. See you next time.